Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and sign up for Manta comic app. Manta comic app is an app that will help you read a lot of Korean comics. So if you want to read some Korean comics, this is the app you need. First of all, go to your app store. As you go to your app store, on the lower right corner you will see a search button. Tap on it, and then on the search bar type Manta comics. As soon as you type in, you will see this app. Then you can tap on Get in order to download the app. After your app gets downloaded, simply tap on Open. As you can see here, you've now been able to access to the app. Now, in order to sign up for the app, what you can simply do is on the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. As you tap on the profile icon, you will see an option that says Sign In. Tap on Sign In. And then you have to choose whether you want to continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with Facebook. Here, I would like to continue with Google, so I'm just going to tap on Continue with Google. A certain notification will pop up asking you for the permission to use google.com to sign into Manta. Tap on Continue. And then now you'll be directed towards a page where you'll have to select a Google account. So I'm just going to select a Google account. And then after that, as you can see here, you have now been signed up for your Manta comic account through your Gmail. So this is how you download and sign up for Manta comic. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also leave comments for us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.